Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this desk fan that I just received. So I have it in the super pretty purple color, and this is what it looks like. It's a pretty small fan that looks super cute on my desk. It matches with like my room as well because the theme of my room is purple, so it looks super well on my desk. It has different settings, and this is how you turn it on. You just click this button, and I don't know if you guys even hear anything, but there's like almost no sound, so it's super nice to just work. This is the first setting, second setting, and then the third setting. It blows so nicely. And also, like I said, it's not as loud as most fans, and it's super nice to just have if you maybe work in an office where it's hotter, or you work in an area that's hotter, or just really any place that you feel needs to be cooled down. So this is a super cute fan, but also you can adjust it with the stand here, how tall you want it, and it comes with the USB-C charger that you just put in right here, and you just charge your fan, so it's ready to go, and you can bring this anywhere, and it's just super nice. So if you're looking for not only a super cute fan, but it's portable and it's not as loud, it's cute, and it's just super nice to have, especially in warmer areas, then I would definitely recommend and try this.